Hello guys, welcome back to George Basic Script and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to use Visa gift card on your Amazon account. So first of all, you need to choose any of the items. You can choose any of them, guys. It doesn't matter. I already have an item in my cart, so I will go to my cart in the top right. And then I need to click proceed to checkout. It offers me a free trial of Prime. I don't need it, so I will click no thanks. And in the first section, you need to choose your address. And in the second section, you need to choose your payment method. It automatically takes my MasterCard, so I need to change it to Visa gift card. How to do it? You need to click change right here. And it gives me a lot of opportunities to choose the payment methods. Also, there is a section where you can enter the code, your voucher code, promotional code, gift card code. If you have this kind of gift card, you can use this bar and enter the code right here, then click apply. But if you have standard Visa gift card, you need to go up to your credit or debit card section, because Visa gift card is same as debit or credit card. So you need to click add a credit or debit card right here. And you need to enter your Visa gift card's information: card number, name on card, expiration date, and CVV. Once you're done, then click add your card, and you will see your Visa gift card in this list. Then you need to choose it from the list, and the last step, click use this payment method right here and finalize the transaction. That's all I want to show you. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.